Good morning, class. In today's maths lesson, I'm going to explain to you how to do the exercises in your maths book on pages 599 to 604. The topic is time to the half hour. So let me just quickly open the book for you. Here you are, page 599. And as you remember, yesterday we learned about time to the hour. And when we drew the minute hand yesterday, it was always pointing to the 12, to number 12. Okay, but this time we are also going to move the minute hand halfway around the clock. So it means today the minute hand will point down to number 6. In this case, it means 30 minutes. As you know, the minute hand moves around the clock. It takes 60 minutes or 1 hour for the minute hand to complete a full circle around the clock. So when it completes just half a circle, that means 30 minutes passed, or in other words, half an hour, or as your book says, half hour. Okay, so today we are going to leave the minute hand pointing to number 6, which means 30 minutes or half an hour. Okay, now what about the other hand, the hour hand, the shorter one? Where should that point? Well, one thing you need to know is that the minute hand goes around the clock 12 times faster than the hour hand. That means that during the minute hand goes a full circle around the clock, the hour hand can only complete the distance from one number to the next number. So if the minute hand completes half an hour or half a circle around the clock, that means the hour hand will be halfway between two numbers. Let's say like this, okay? So this means that the hour hand is halfway between 1 and 2. And the minute hand is pointing at 6. That means it's 30 minutes past already. So the time that is shown on the clock right now, it says 30 minutes past 1. Or, in other words, half past 1. Because the hour hand already passed number 1. And it's halfway through to number 2. So half past 1. This is how you say these hours. Half past, and always put the previous number half past, and the previous number that the hour hand already passed was 1. Half past 1. Let's have a few more examples. This would be called half past 2. This would be called half past 3. Half past 4, half past 5, half past 6, half past 7, half past 8, half past 9, half past 10, half past 11, half past 12, and so on. Okay, so that's it for the explanation. And now let's see exactly what we need to do on this page. For this first page, let's read the instructions. It says, use a clock to show 5 o'clock. Okay, move the minute hand to 6. What time is it? Repeat with the other times showing hour. Okay, draw hands to show one at one of the times and write the time. Okay, so basically this is up to us which time we're gonna show on it. So any random number you can put the minute, the hour hand. So let's say I'll try to get it as close to our current time as possible, which is about 9:30 now. So the minute hand is pointing at number 6, that means past, and the hour hand already passed number 9 and is halfway to number 10. So this time is set as 9:30. Okay, so let's write the number 9 on this line. Okay. Oh, okay, done. If you want to make it a little bit easier for you, you can also write it down in numbers or in a digital clock form that it's 9:30, okay? This is what it looked like on a digital clock, 9:30. Right, I hope that was clear enough. I tried to explain as clearly as possible, but to make sure you understand what exactly there to be done, let's go to the next page and read through this guide first, and then do a couple more exercises for you so you can do the rest of them on your own. Right, so let's read this. You can show time to the half hour. 1/2 hour is 30 minutes. These clocks show 2:30. Okay, 2:30 means that the hour hand points between 2 and 3. You can see the red hour hand is between 2 and 3, and the minute hand points to 6. When the minute hand points to 6, that means 30 minutes or half an hour. Okay, so on the digital clock, 2:30 would look like this. It is 2:30. Okay, so basically that's all. And then let's complete the next 2 exercises, and then I will let you do the rest of the pages in this lesson on your own. Okay, so let's check. Where is the minute hand? It's pointing to number 6. So that will be 30 minutes for all of these clocks. If you want, you can quickly write them in for all of them. 30. There you go. 30. And okay, let's do this one as well. 30. Finished. The minute hand is finished. Now let's have a look at the hour hand. On this one, the hour hand is between 9 and 10. So it's already past 9, but it hasn't reached 10 yet. So it's 9:30. Therefore, we're gonna write, maybe let's use a different number. We're gonna write 9 here for the hour. That's 9:30. Now here, the hour hand is between 1 and 2. So it's past 1, 1:30. So it's 1:30. And for number 3, it already passed number 6. So that is 6:30 or 6:30. Well, this is it. This is how you do this. And you can see on page 601, there are 6 more to do. And then page 602, there is a couple more there. You need to read it and just find the time that needs to be put in and draw the hands of the analog clock and write the numbers into the digital clock. The time you need to show is 7:30. And then looking at these analog clocks, just read the time on them and then answer these questions 11 to 13. Okay, so 2 hours after 4:30. Okay. I'm not sure if they are related. 2 hours after 4:30. Well, 4:30 plus 2 hours, it means 6:30. Now you have to find which clock shows 6:30. And as you see, it's this one here, because the hour hand is halfway between 6 and 7. That means 6:30. So you need to write down the name of the activity or the thing that happens at that time. Therefore, on this line, I'm going to write, maybe with smaller letters, that its alarm goes off. We just copy it from what is written under the picture. Basically, that's all. So for the other two, you complete them on your own. Right. And here, read the question. How is reading a digital clock different from reading an analog clock? I think you can explain that. Digital clock shows numbers, number digits, while an analog clock uses hands, minute hand and hour hand, to show the time, okay? And what you need to do as an assignment for today, and take photos of pages and submit them to me in Google Classroom or to my private line, is pages 603 and 604, which means the My Homework pages. This one here, and the next one, this one here, okay? When you finish them, take photos and send them to me. Basically, that's all you need to do today for maths. So I hope that was clear. If you need help or have any questions, please let me know. Contact me right away. You can do that in line, in Google Classroom, email, phone, or anyhow you can contact me. Okay, I'm here to help you the whole day, 24/7. All right, guys, I hope you are having a nice day. Take care of yourselves, and I'll see you again next time in the next video. Bye-bye.